and welcome to my channel. My website incomingsuccess.com together with this YouTube channel are meant to help you grow your online business with social media. And in today's video I wanted to talk to you about becoming a Pinterest virtual assistant, telling you how I managed to become one, and also how I managed to make my first $1,000 as a Pinterest VA. A lot of you have asked me about this, how I became a Pinterest VA, how can you learn to become one, and I have all the tips that I took to become one, and also I'm going to share the process that I took, what I learned from, and all these things. So if you want to become a Pinterest virtual assistant, you can do that as well. The very first clients are not easy to find since you don't have any background, you don't have anybody to trust you, and they don't really have a reason to trust you, right? So if you want to know how to start as a freelancer online and to gain your first clients and things like that, you should watch my video on becoming a freelancer. It's gonna be somewhere here. I'm also going to leave it in the description below and at the end of this video. So if you want to learn more about freelancing as a Pinterest VA after watching this video, you should go watch that one as well. So let's get into today's video and let's start talking about how to become a Pinterest VA, how I became one, and how I made my first $1,000. So in case you don't even know what a Pinterest virtual assistant does, I'm going to tell you right now. A Pinterest virtual assistant is a person that manages other people's Pinterest accounts and makes sure that through those Pinterest accounts growth, they lead traffic to their websites, blog, businesses. So that way, through the free platform of Pinterest, they can grow their online businesses. Pinterest is not that hard to use once you get the hang of it, and the reason that many people choose to hire a Pinterest VA is not the difficulty of Pinterest, but it is the time-consuming factor about it. Now I'm gonna get on and tell you a little bit about my story and how I started. So after I understood all the reasons that I've told you before, I wanted to become a Pinterest VA. First off, what I did was understand the importance of taking this seriously, looking at becoming a Pinterest VA as a business. Myself, I have this business, I use it to provide my services to other people. After I decided to take this seriously, I wanted to learn as much about Pinterest as I possibly could so I could obviously help the people I'm working for. So I looked into learning as much about Pinterest as I possibly could, from ebooks, courses, everything online that will help me understand how Pinterest works and how it can be used to benefit businesses. One great ebook I recommend about this topic is the one written by The She Approach. I will leave the link in the description below so you can go check it out. It really goes in depth about how to set up your own Pinterest account, how to make sure your SEO is really good on Pinterest, how to create pin graphics for your business, and all those things. So if you want to learn all those things with one ebook that is not expensive at all, and even if you're learning it for your own account or for someone else's to in the future manage it for someone else, it is still a great addition to your library. So obviously after I've learned everything about Pinterest that the internet could possibly offer me, I wanted to test those strategies. I wanted to see, are they even real? Do they even work? I wanted to test them myself so I can have the confidence that I can do that for other people as well. So that's exactly what I did. I went on and tested it on my own account and other accounts so I can see growth and see that those strategies actually work and that this job is actually good for something. So that gave me a lot of confidence seeing that things actually work, and I've decided I want to go on and work for other people as well. The first place that I went to find my first clients were the Facebook groups with entrepreneurs, bloggers, and individuals that want to grow their Pinterest accounts. So what I did was to post greetings and only post when I was allowed about my new Pinterest VA business and tell them that if anybody needs my services, I am there, or if they know anybody that can use my services, to let me know. A lot of people contacted me, but not all of them were my clients. I had a few clients in the beginning that I had to discount my prices for so I could gain some experience, make my portfolio bigger, and practice more on those accounts so I will have more to show to other people. One thing that is really important to keep in mind when you're starting a new business, you want to have a landing page where people can see your rates, your services, exactly what you're offering them, and how you will need to be contacted in order to start working for them. I talk a lot more about this in my Becoming a Freelancer video, and also you have the written version down below for my blog post on this if you want to read that one. My first client only made me about $75, but it was worth it. It was a great experience, and I really enjoyed working for that person. And my next few clients made me $500 in a day. That's because I landed 2 clients that wanted full Pinterest account setup and hourly management for about a month as well. Once I have seen that the business is working and it's growing and people are actually interested in hiring Pinterest VAs, I've decided to start my website incomingsuccess.com, where I would help people not only grow their businesses online with Pinterest, but with Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and social media in general. So after I've started my website, I've started adding blog posts, making more YouTube videos, and this way I have attracted more clients to my website that would like to help me grow their online business as well. So this is it. This is how I made my first $1,000 as a Pinterest VA. This is how I started being a Pinterest VA, and how you can too. If you want to receive a full list of 10 tips you need to take to become a Pinterest VA, and also 10 tips on finding your first Pinterest VA clients, make sure to sign up using the link below so you will receive that in your email. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you want to suggest another video. And also don't forget to subscribe for future videos on entrepreneurship, growing your online business with social media, and self-development. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.